If you used Yahoo in 2014, your login information is likely in the hands of hackers. Yahoo reports that a security breach compromised the login information for at least 500 million users. Among the stolen information includes names, email addresses, telephone numbers, birthdays, and in some cases, unencrypted security questions and answers. If you have not changed your password since 2014, now would be a good time to do so. Yahoo is prompting affected accounts to change their passwords, and those old security questions and answers no longer will work to retrieve your account because they were part of the data breach. But even if you changed your password, you still have to worry about identity theft with birthday, phone number, and security answers out there. And it could also be used to access other accounts on other services. So who's responsible? Yahoo says it was done by someone paid by a government agency, although which government isn't said. And it's always hard to really be sure in these kinds of incidents. The hack was first revealed in August, but it's only now, after a 2-month investigation, that we're learning how many accounts were affected. I'm Bridget Carey. You can keep up with the hottest tech news at cnet.com/update.